Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you how you can delete email from your Gmail. Sometimes you need to delete email from your Gmail and you don't know how to do it. Here is the way how you can do it. I am gonna show you right now. Okay. Now to delete any email from my Gmail, I need to go first my Gmail account. This is my Gmail account. As you can see, I already logged in, but in your case maybe you need to log in it properly. Now here you can see my primary inbox, my social inbox and my promotion inbox. Sometimes we need to delete email from our Gmail, and we don't know how to delete it. So I am going to show you how you can delete it from your Gmail in email. Now I want to delete like this email, this email, this email, this email. How can I delete? Just simply you select the email which one you want to delete, like I'm selecting this and this, and go there. This bin, you can see this bin icon. Normally just click on it and then this conversion move to trash. To conversion move to trash. If you want to remove from even trash, go to trash and then delete it. This is last one I deleted right now. Delete forever. You need to click on delete forever. Okay. If you want to delete all the emails in your inbox, just click on this and all selected, then click on delete. All will be go to trash, then go to trash and select all and then click delete forever, and it will delete from here also and for forever. I just click on this, I clicked it and this is empty. You can see total empty and my inbox also empty. So this is how you can delete any email from your Gmail. See how easy it is. I hope this video helped you, and from now you can also delete your you can also delete any email in your Gmail. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.